The record screen on your POCO C65, all you have to do is just to open this notification panel, then slide to the left side and find screen recorder icon. Now when you click on it, you will open this floating bar, and I can recommend you to click on the settings, because right here we can actually adjust the resolution, video quality, sound source and the frame rate. So let me show you my favorite settings. I can go for the highest quality. I'm gonna record both source of the sound and set frame rate to 30 frames per second. Also, I want to show touch gestures and the button taps. And now when I set it up, I can click on this red button to start recording. And this small floating window will be not visible on your records. So now if you want to finish it, just click right like this. And if you open your screen records, you will have to open the gallery. Now go to the albums and select the videos. Here you can find your screen recorder videos. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.